Boom, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about your credit repair business, making magic, making work magic, okay? I realized that we're not defying gravity or giving David Blaine, who is a magician by the way, a run for his money. But when you're performing your lead gen magic day in and day out, and you're doing it with the power of credit, you're fanatically prospecting, it's all too easy to forget what that you can achieve can seem like a miracle to anyone who's been struggling with and losing money over their own DIY attempts at running ads, at building their own websites, their own funnels, DMing people, posting on Instagram, Facebook, all these other platforms, right? But the reality is that you're offering a precious commodity, credit expertise, right? Never undervalue that, or yourself, because the power that your skill sets gives you is insane. You got to realize that not everybody knows about credit, not everybody knows about money, period. And so you have a power over a lot of people. So the power to make money for others, that is it. Your business could be the make or break of someone else's dream. Really, think about it. Without credit, people cannot get their dream home, they cannot get their dream car, they cannot make their ideal business a reality. And so they need your help, right? You gotta be there, you gotta guide them, coach them, take them from point A to point C. So you'll make it happen for them, of course. That's what you do. So always be confident. You are much needed in this space. Whatever you're doing right now with credit repair, you are in the right track. As long as you stay focused, as long as you know your purpose, as long as you know your role, your position within your company. So credit repair businesses that get results have a premium on them, and you have it if you get results, if you are committed, if you are obsessed about helping people the right way. And if you're just starting out, that's totally fine. There are ways to show up what you offer and means of adding case studies and testimonials to save you feeling nervous or tentative, right? You can avoid that imposter syndrome in so many ways, right? So apply now to join the credit repair clients and give your confidence and outreach a boost. So just book book a call with me and my team, and we're gonna help you create a marketing plan so that you help the right people, the people that you want to help, and attract them right away. Okay. With that being said, I'll let you go. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in another one. Take care.